Alright, you're live.
Hello. How's everybody doing today?
Right now, we are just going to test out to see which lens works better as soon as Aunt Renee gets to...
I'm trying to find it. There
Gets
we
it
go.
pulled up. You got it pulled up? Okay.
Yeah.
So... So that's that one.
Okay, that's the fish bowl.
Is it fishy looking?
Yeah, it's keep.
And that's that one.
No, it ain't good.
It's not good. I didn't think so. See, compared to that, that's a lot clearer. But this offers...
Still, well, how long give it time to catch up?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot clearer like
Okay.
that.
Alright. Cool. That's the only lens that I know where it is. Hi. Oh, I think that's you watching.
It is. Hey! The music that you hear, I have no rights to. It is Elvis Presley. If I can find it.
And she is about to do some detailing
Yes.
on the baby. On which one? Tibby? On Jamie?
Yeah, on Jamie.
On Jamie, which is Taisha's baby. She is an AA baby. It is the Tibby toddler kit from Bountiful Baby. And I love the coloring. How the coloring has come along. It is totally gorgeous. Love it, love it. So, yeah. We are looking into, y'all, we finally got the YouTube page up and running. I'm working on getting videos from Facebook over to YouTube, so just bear with me. And you'll see a link, a comment under each video. As I do it, I'll say that this video is uploaded and post the link. Please, if you don't watch the full thing, please just go ahead and go click on it and hit the like and subscribe button so you can get the notifications. Because we are going to start doing some live feeds on YouTube. So we want to make sure all of y'all join us. What are you doing? What color are you mixing up?
It is lip and blushing.
All right.
I'm fixing to do her lips. I got to make sure I don't want it lighter.
Mm-hmm.
So I need one of these chest sponges.
Yeah. So she's about
That might be good.
She's about to paint Jamie's lips.
I'll probably use it to do some creasing.
Mm-hmm. Depending on how it looks.
Yeah, I'll just find out.
Aunt Renee, is Elvis going to sing on here?
Yes, it's a concert, so he's just going into the stadium right now.
Okay. I was wondering.
Mm.
You don't like that lip?
I like the color.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
A little too dark, or?
Well, I don't know. I just don't like it. What the? I hate when this stuff gets on it.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm going to lighten up, give it more of a pinky color. Pink color.
Yeah.
It's tired of her head rolling.
The eyes should be in Wednesday, I think it said.
No, so, it hasn't really said. That's Matt Young, so I don't know. Want my white.
So right now she is going to work on lips and creasing.
But first I'm going to get to the darn concert.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
While she does that, I might as well show you all the pieces that I have left. While she figures out what color she's going with over there. We only have a few pieces left on our jewelry. And I plan on going live from my page later today. I've been doing a lot of lives. We do a lot of combo videos. We should have just created a combined group. I guess we kind of did, didn't we?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So,
that might be a pretty color.
This ring is going to be number 11. If you want it, please comment with number 11. It is a gorgeous
Is that too loud?
No. It is deep purple with some little cute blings all around it. The lighting in here does not do it justice. I don't have the light close enough to me because Aunt Renee is using it right now, to do her painting. But you can see it shimmering. I'm kind of in a shadowy area, but this lighting does not do it justice at all. But this is number 11. If anyone is interested, it is $5 plus $5 shipping if you're within the United States. You will not have to pay shipping if you are local, because we can come meet you so that we can exchange, or you can come
I'll be back
to us. All right, yeah. It's probably Nanny. Okay. Yes, we have a house phone, y'all. Still old-fashioned around here. I love house phones. They're great for if you lose your cell phone. Okay. The next one is going to be number 9. This is another ring. And this is going to be a pearl ring with diamonds surrounding it. It is $5. And all of these rings have a stretchy band, so it can fit just about any size finger. It's not good for kids' fingers, but I do have some kids' jewelry coming. I'm actually about to place that order in my inventory. So, but yes, if you want this one, it is super cute. It's very sparkly, very elegant. And let me see if I can show you. This is what size it is. This is the length. Ignore that black spot on my finger. My kid slammed my finger in the door, and that was from me refilling my ink in my pen the other day. Okay, so next up. Again, that was number 9. If you want it, comment number 9. This next one is going to be another ring. And that's going to be number 35. I know the numbers are all kind of weird, but I was just getting them separated and everything. This one is another one that I really like. And again, I'll show you. Okay. So that's that one. It's kind of a big ring, but it's very comfortable. Has a stretchy band. It has an oval pearl with diamonds going on each side. I really like this ring. It's super sparkly. So if you want that, comment number 35. All of the pieces are only $5. $5 shipping if you're in the U.S. If you are local, I can get it to you without the extra $5, without the $5 shipping. You can order up to 6 pieces for the $5 shipping. After that, I will have to see how much a flat rate box costs, but I'm pretty sure the flat rate shouldn't be more than $6 to $8. But I will see that once I mail out Miss Taisha's order that she has. And again, Aunt Renee is just working to find the perfect color for Jamie.
I think I found it.
She thinks she found it, y'all.